Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife that I got from the Boker Plus line. This will be the Sliplock. This is another mid-year 2024 late summer release, and this is also a custom knife collaboration with Kirk Mayberry from KM Designs. He's a custom knife maker out of Tennessee. This is something that I see the first time in the Boker Plus box. We have our standard nice sturdy box. I forgot to show you the model number. So the model number is 01BO975, and we have here the standard Boker Plus heavy duty pouch. Inside we will probably see some kind of hardware, or no. They forgot to include the screwdriver. Yeah, maybe. It's not here. So, yeah, maybe they forgot. But it is not important. There are lots of them. So here is the knife itself. It is called a Sliplock. This is a custom knife design. So it meets futuristic, modern with a slimmed traditional carry profile, like on, let's say, on some kind of slip joints. The Sliplock did not fool you. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know if Boker or some other company had something similar. It was a non-locking knife, but this is completely, you can see, liner lock, so it is sturdy, no blade whatsoever. So it is called Sliplock, and of course it is modeled after a custom design from the knife maker Kirk Mayberry. Okay, so now let me give you the specifications. So we have an overall length of 18.5 centimeters, that is 7.3 inches. So, and that being under 8 inches with my XL size hands, it does feel really well. Almost feels like it would be a 8-inch knife, in my opinion. Maybe because it has a longer handle, of course, or that I could grab it here. So yeah, really nice design there for large hands, of course. So the blade is 7.7, that is almost 3 inches. Blade width 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch. Thickness 4 millimeters, so really heavy stock here. Thick stock, that is 0.15 inches. Handle length, it is 10.9 centimeters or 4.3 inches with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Usually the Boker Plus will have something like VG10 or D2. On this one they went with a 14C Fenin Sandvik steel, really nice tough stainless. I prefer this one over VG10, of course, any day. On the blade we have a beautiful clip point profile satin finish with an elongated large Thumbhole opener. And I did look on the Instagram page of the knife maker, and he recommends to open it in the middle, so somewhere right here. It is really nicely ambidextrous. As far as the handle goes, we have smooth contoured black G10 on the one side, and this is a gray titanium finish, or probably some kind of titanium nitride finishing on the stainless steel, which sports a nice frame lock. The pivot assembly, it rides on phosphor-bronze washers, so 2 of them right there. It's really nice, sturdy, like I mentioned, no blade whatsoever. As far as sharpness goes, let's try to a piece of paper. So yeah, this is really nice and sharp. Great job, Boker, but please keep in mind that it has a really beefy blade, so this will not break on you. As far as weight goes, we have 119.7 grams or 4.2 ounces. We have a partial backspacer made out of black G10 and a decent size large linear hole. So now let's talk about the pocket clip, because I'm really not happy with this pocket clip. As you can see here, has the nice same gray titanium finishing, but this is everything here is stainless steel, and this is so thick that I cannot even budge it with my finger, not a millimeter. So this is a problem, in my opinion. Something is not right with the Boker designers, because in the past they definitely made decent pocket clips, and these are beautiful. Not on this one, but also the previous knife that I featured here on my channel. And for some reason, this 2024 mid-year release, all of them sport heavy heat-treated stainless steel pocket clips that do not budge. So therefore, here is my pocket. So let's see the pocket profile, how it will function. And this is what I have dreaded all along. Oh guys, so this is a problem. So this is a completely no-no. So this is a completely no-no here. It is so damn tight. You will have a problem to put it inside, and these are not even heavy jeans. I say this is medium thickness, and I cannot put it. So if you would like to EDC carry this one, I would suggest two things. If you would like to do your heat treatment by yourself, you can disassemble the pocket clip and maybe put it in the oven, or use a butane torch or something to mitigate the heat treatment, to basically make it flex. Or just take it apart and have it as your slip joint, quote-unquote slip joint, a traditional knife, so that is you are carrying in your pouch, or maybe in your backpack or fanny pack, or whatever pack you are carry, because this is a problem. This is so damn tight, it will not budge a millimeter. So yeah, or maybe you can take it apart and just hammer it out a little bit to give it a little bit, but then of course then we will lose the tension, and you are prone to maybe to lose the knife. So yeah, it is up to you, but I definitely cannot recommend this one. It's a beautiful design, feels really great in the hand. I forgot to show you the lock, if it does fail or not. So yeah, this is completely so. Okay, so I really like the design. I will keep this one in my collection because I really like it. But yeah, if I would purchase this one with the intention to carry it every day, to have it as my everyday knife, I will be really disappointed. Or if I have a belt pouch, maybe not, but so this is up to you. I am completely unbiased here. Nobody is sponsoring me, so I can tell you the truth. That is the raw truth here, that the pocket clip are really not thought about. Why they are doing this, why they heat treating them, I don't know. So maybe if you have some explanation for me, please chime in and let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. That will be also a little bit problematic. I know, everything goes up with the inflation and everything that's going on around the world, and everything is basically costing more and more. But yeah, let's face it, the MSRP of this one is $137.95, so almost 140 US dollars. At the dealers currently, you have it around 117 and some change. That is, in my opinion, a little bit too much. Now, let's keep that in the perspective. So, 117 in the US, and that is Blade HQ and also Knife Center, if I'm not mistaken. Here in Europe, my dealer has it at around 76 with some sale going on. Usually, the price is around 82. So, if this was around $90 in the US, which is the 82, maybe 87 euros, some conversion fees around. So let's have it at around $95. At the $95, this will be still, in my opinion, too much for this knife. I don't know what Boker does right here. Maybe they need to amp up earnings, but yeah, these knives have to sell around maybe $75 to $80 to be competitive. I understand they have to pay the designer. After all, this is not the Chinese design. This is a reputable custom knife maker that I partnered with, and they have to pay him some kickbacks, residuals, or whatever you would like to call it. I understand that, and it is also a good thing to have something like this on the market. If you are a fan of these more expensive custom designs, because Boker does collaborate with a lot of really well-known knife makers. But to ask so much money for it, I don't understand. This is basically double. The MSRP is double than the selling street price here in Europe. So I don't think this is okay for all of my USA-based friends. So basically, usually we have the problem around here in Europe that everything is almost twice as expensive. I don't know. So now let's see a few size comparisons. So what I have here on the table? So let's start, I don't know, with the CGRB Pyrite Alt. I don't know. Let's continue with the Red Model 2. Best Segment Dundee. Just Thumbhole design. Spyderco Delica 940 from Benchmade. Kaiser Lighter 2. Box Sovereign. Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Kershaw Leak. Full size grip T-lane from Benchmade. Small grip T-lane from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. QSP Penguin. CVV Elementum. Paramilitary 3. Boxprint Pro. Rustic Gent from CVV. Sharpie. Concept Hazakura. Kershaw Blur. Rough Red Peanut. And let's close it down with Okay, bulldozer. Folding hunter. Okay, so overall, let's conclude the video. I really like the overall shape. It fits my hand perfectly, and I would really love to have this one in a functional package with the functional pocket clip. So yes, overall I will not return it. I will keep it because I really do like what Boker does, and I like to support them. But yeah, if somebody at Boker does watch this video, please do something about this pocket clip. And this is not the only thing on this one, but also on the Senjo. So please do something about it, and that knife will be really nice, and maybe lower the price a little bit. But that is up to dealers. I'm probably sure they have margins that they can use to lower the price, but it is up to them. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. I always appreciate you taking your time watching my videos. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate you coming back, commenting, and letting me know what you are thinking about the knife, my channel, and also everything what you have on your heart. Please let me know. I'm here for you, and I like to engage with each other so we can grow my channel and this community. Okay, so with that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.